John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2018 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. We'll start here on the Transom. The big news on this boat, we have the new 3.4 liter Mercury V6 225s. Brand new product from Mercury. The most lightweight and best performance engines in the category. Also, as you come through the walkthrough on the Transom, you have a freshwater shower. So when you come in up the swim ladder, you can shower off, come in the cockpit. As you make your way into the cockpit, you've got a full bench seat across the back. It stows up out of the way when you're ready to fish. In the middle, you have your controls. Everything very accessible as far as your power steering pump, your through hulls, your filters. Easy to get to, very accessible. Fish boxes on each side, your JL audio speakers, one live well in the Transom, one live well here at the helm seat. As we move up to the helm, you see digital throttle and shift, the GS 125 Raymarine, vessel view display, active trim, Lenco trim tabs. And of course, one of the great features on any Outrage is the glass enclosure at the helm with the power vent. Gets you some air flow through in the summer, but yet keeps you dry in the foul weather and keeps the cold weather out. We have trolling seats on each side, so you can pop those down when you're out fishing and you want to watch your lines, or if you're riding out to the island, need another place to sit. As we move up into the bow area, you have a U-shaped bow seating area here, storage in the floor, storage under the bow seat. And you also have a big storage compartment here, which can serve as a fish box, it can serve as a cooler. Very functional. As you'll see, it's sealed around the lid. As we move all the way forward, you have the mounts for your bow shade. This boat has a shade that hooks to the hardtop, comes out, mounts to the poles. Very popular feature now, especially now that we're in summertime, and keep the sun off of you. And then all the way forward, we have the windlass. So you can control it from here in the bow, or you can control it at the helm. Well, again, my name is John Wright. Thank you for taking the time to check out our Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. We're at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Our number is 910-256-8100. Look forward to seeing you soon.